What if I told you? Something weak alone can become unbreakable together. Today's story will show you a powerful secret that can change how you treat your family and friends forever. Once upon a time, in a peaceful countryside village, there lived an old farmer with his 3 young sons. The farmer worked hard every day, but his biggest worry was not his farm, it was his sons. They argued all the time, they fought over toys, they blamed each other for mistakes. They never agreed on anything. The old farmer tried advice, he tried scolding, but nothing worked. One evening, after a long day in the fields, the old farmer sat quietly under a tree. He looked at his sons arguing again and sighed deeply. If they stay divided, he thought, the world will easily break them. That night, the farmer came up with a clever idea. The next morning, the farmer called his sons. "Come here, my children," he said calmly. He handed one single stick to the eldest son. "Break it," he said. Snap! The stick broke easily. The second son broke another stick. So did the third. The boys laughed. "That's easy," they said proudly. Then the farmer tied many sticks together into a tight bundle. He handed the bundle to his eldest son. "Now break this," he said. The boy pushed, pulled, tried his hardest, but the bundle did not break. He passed it to his brothers. They tried one by one. No matter how hard they tried, the bundle stayed strong. The old farmer smiled gently and said, "My sons, this is my lesson for you. Alone you are like a single stick, easy to break. But together you are like this bundle, strong and unbreakable. If you fight and stay divided, the world will defeat you. But if you stay united, no problem can destroy you." The boys looked at each other quietly. They finally understood. From that day on, the brothers changed. They helped each other on the farm. They shared their work. They solved problems together. And because of their unity, their family became stronger and happier than ever. Moral of the story: unity is strength. Together we are stronger than alone.